Alright guys, welcome to today's video. So what we're doing in this video is chemistry, and our topic here is pH, right? Before we start, I want to implore you again to subscribe now. It will not bite your finger. Just subscribe. So let's get started. The pH of a solution containing 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 6 mole. Now this is it. Whenever you see a capital M, it represents mole per dm cube. Please don't be confused. What did I say? It represents mole per dm cube. So containing 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 6 mole per dm cube H2SO4 is 6.3, 6.5, 6.0, 5.0. Now when we are talking of pH, let me write the solution. When we are talking of pH, pH, it has to do with the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration to base 10, right? So base 10, right? Now, so it means pH of a particular compound, what you need there is the what? Hydrogen ion concentration. Now, how do we get the hydrogen ion concentration for H2SO4? Now, this is what you just do. H2SO4, when you dissociate it, what will it dissociate to? Forward and backward reaction. It will dissociate into 2 hydrogen ion and SO4 2 minus, right? Now look at this. They say the compound contains 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 6, right? If you look at this, how many mole of H2SO4 do we have here? 1, because we did not write anything. So we have 1 mole of H2SO4, 1 mole of H2SO4. It gives us what? 2 mole of hydrogen ion, right? Now 1 mole of hydrogen H2SO4, right? So it means in this H2SO4 we have 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 6, right? So let's say 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 6, right? H2SO4, right? So because it is 2 times, this one is 1 when this is 2, so it means in place of 0.5, you know, this one is 1, right? This one is 2, right? So it means in place of, you know, normally this is 1 times 0.5, everything will be 0.5 again. Now in place of 1 here, we now be writing 2, so it will now be 2 times 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 6, right, of H plus, right? So 2 times 0.5, that is 1 times 10 to the power minus 6 mole of H plus. Do you get? So we are not done yet. Now this value, you will now input it inside this thing. Do you get? So let's input. So you now get minus log into 1 times 10 to the power minus 6 base 10. Sorry, base 10, right? So 1 times 10 to the power minus 6 is the same thing as 10 to the power minus 6. So it's now 10 to the power minus 6 base 10, right? Just a rule of logarithm. Bring this to this side. Just use just rule of logarithm. So it's now be minus times minus 6 log 10 base 10. So what do we have now? We now have minus times minus, that is plus. So we have 6 log 10 base 10. So what's log 10 base 10? Log a base a is what? Is 1. So log 10 base 10 is what? 1. So we have 6 times 1. So what's our answer? 6.0. It's the same thing as 6. So our answer is what? Option C. So do you get how we did it now? Do you get how we do it now? So it's not that difficult. So the answer is option C. Although we have some other formula for pH. Formulas like pH plus POH is equals to 14. So we use it sometimes. We use it. At times we use it. If they ask you to find pH and they gave you POH, just minus and do things like that. you see formulas like, I think this is what I saw in my own jam when I was doing my jam. So this is it. So you now say, if I can still remember, so this is, so that's how to do it. So there are many methods like that. When they give you hydrogen ion concentration and they say you should find the hydroxide ion, so this is how you're going to do it. So that's that for today's video. So I want to implore you again, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. Man, and make sure that you invite your friends, share the videos to them so that you can learn together. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.